Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening File Explorer. That gives you direct access to local folders. Navigate to Pictures, Downloads, or Desktop because most images default there. Once there, use the search box in the top right and type common extensions like JPG or PNG so Windows filters results immediately. Make sure to include hidden folders if you moved files. Enable View Hidden Items. This first step narrows the field quickly, so you don't waste time scanning every folder manually. Once you have initial results, refine them with filters. Choose Date Modified to find recent shots, Size to exclude tiny files, and Kind set to Pictures for accuracy. Make sure to switch to large icons or use the Details pane to preview thumbnails and metadata. This saves opening each file. You can also search inside metadata by typing keywords or camera model into the search bar if EXIF data exists. These steps speed up locating the exact picture by narrowing hundreds of files to a handful. When you locate the picture, copy or move it to a clear folder structure so future searches are faster. Consider a cloud backup or external drive to prevent loss. If the image doesn't appear, check the recycle bin, enable hidden files, and review recent backups or sync logs. If a file is corrupted, try opening with a different viewer or restoring from backup. One quick troubleshooting tip. Search for the file extension and date range together to surface misplaced or renamed images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.